Welcome everyone to my new video on Polygon Matic Network price analysis and prediction discussion for 21st, 22nd of November. Hope you have a beautiful time, a great day. Looking forward to see a valuable type of content. So the first thing that we need to consider is that Polygon has been outranked a little bit by other altcoins that have performed a little better than Polygon during the sector of the bullish cycle. So we cannot underline the fact that we're not going to perform much better than those cryptocurrencies at some point. But at this time, there is a difference between Polygon and some of the other altcoins that moved double times faster and better than what we have been performing. Now, before we get into the charts, make sure to follow me on my main channel. As well, we have my one-on-one coaching program, which I'm going to talk about at the end of the video for those of you that are interested in education directly with me one-on-one live. Make sure to check that out. As well, schedule yourself a free conversation on Calendly where I can explain you more. So, Polygon daily candlesticks, the current situation is very interesting because we are dealing basically with the market recovering from a pullback, especially on the red line, which is the 20 days moving average for the daily candlesticks. Usually the 20 days moving average for the daily candlesticks are called the ones that are supporting and continuing the trend. And as soon as they confirm, that means from the technical standpoint that the top we had right before that is going to be broken. A broken top means we're going to cross that and find new highs of that specific structure. So I would like to show you a clear example. The 20 days moving average is the red line, and the red line has been confirmed right there. We broke out of the previous top. The red line has been confirmed right there. We broke out of the previous top. The red line has been confirmed right there. We broke out of the previous top. So we actually did that 3 times after the markets have pulled back. Would you like to see the same picture on, just trying it 3 times? Of course, it's possible to be achievable. It's possible to be respected by the market. As historically speaking, 20 days moving average for the daily holds a very, very strong bullish rally alive. Every single time it's being touched, the market's got to react. If we don't react, it means that we have been slowing down and it might take a little bit of time to recover. But there is a little problem here. There is the golden pocket horizontal structure at 90 cents, between 90 and 85 cents, which is something that we're dealing with right now. So what does Polygon needs is an injection of funds and volume that is going to break the selling pressure walls, and no one is going to short anymore till we touch significant levels that are worth to be shorting, such as slightly above $1. It is very interesting to consider that. Obviously not to get out of your longs, but for something as we call day trading scalp, something that you short for 10 minutes, you make your 20%, and that's all. Especially when you do it with leverage, that's how you make your 20%, because you might do 10x leverage on a 2% movement. That's a 20% move. That is very, very good on the margin. Now 1.18, 1.17 is another very, very strong level that we must be not fearful about, but we must be cautious about. And at the same time, depends when you touch that, because you're going to get a very nice confluence with the major trending line of the Polygon winter times. So this is a specific line that you need to break out. When that happens, the bull market officially starts for Polygon in a heavy season, which is something that we're not going through right now. Although you might wonder, why is it not pumping 25-30% daily for a few days in a row, just like it does in bull markets, or just like it does when you see on CoinMarketCap in terms of other altcoins? Why aren't we having the same situation? Simply, those altcoins have broken out of the trending line and people trade them. People participate with them much more actively because they see that indication printed. For the case of Polygon, it is not the situation. Yet we have not even did the golden ratio and the golden type of breakout between 200 days and 50 days moving average. It's called the golden cross. So the orange line that you see breaks the blue line and finds movement above, something that we have not been able to do yet, something that the 100 days moving average needs to do as well. So expect basically big volatility coming for Polygon in the next period of time, and expect that things got to be handled very, very well. Now, at the same time, in this market conditions, it is good to be aware that if we have strong selling pressures building up and the market is dumping, straight away things are being purchased up so fast that you cannot even imagine. I mean, it's good to work with limit orders, it's good to work with positions that you're prepared to purchase. Just like a sniper, you want to make sure you set your targets and snipe through those as soon as you have the recognition of a potential reversal. When the reversal has happened, if you buy at the end of the reversal, you are in trouble. If the reversal has happened and you don't wait basically for a form of confirmation that it's still offering the ability for the market to increase, and it's not the end of recovery in order for the markets to dump, you are basically needing to adjust the whole process depending how things are looking. Now, that's pretty much all about Polygon. Hopefully this was a constructive conversation, a constructive presentation, most likely, from where you've been able to learn new things. Daily candlestick app here, having a good time on the topic. Make sure, guys, to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed this one, and ask me questions in the comments area about anything. At the same time, if you value education and if you believe it is important to have it, then let's work together on your skills and knowledge about trading from A to Z. Whether you are a beginner or a very beginner up to an intermediate and advanced, I can take you by hand and teach you how do I trade since 2014 full-time. So I can also explain the whole process, and make sure to schedule yourself a conversation with me on Calendly. As well, you have the ability to participate in my trading. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. The commission is paid by you every 7 days, and we are looking forward doing it completely outsourced through API trading permission. You don't have anything to do. It's outsourced, just like I said. That's all, guys. All the resources to everything exists in the description area and comments area of the video right below. So have a good time. We'll talk to you soon and enjoy.